Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you all know, I'm about to go to college. So I'm on the lookout of my true career planning and professional development because I have been struggling. So I decided to upskill myself by learning to know my career field. And I did more research on it, and that's when I came across $1 Million Career, how to become a true professional and discover your life's calling course by Lectera. Now this course was developed and implemented by Lectera CEO herself, Mila Semeskina, who is also the distinguished career specialist. She is also the author of one of the famous worldwide international bestseller book, Learn or Leave the Market. Now if you guys purchase the course using my promo code Pragati, you will all receive a PDF of Mila Semeskina's new book, Your $1 Million Career, offering a practical guide step by step in building your career. And you will also gain exclusive access of recorded version of Mila Semeskina's Premier Career webinar, where she shares invaluable career growth insight. And for my subscribers, that is you guys can access the valuable course with 90% discount using the link provided in the description below, costing only $4.9 instead of $49, using the link provided in the description below. Now since my college will start just in few weeks, I decided to dedicate myself into completing this entire course. So on day 1 of this course, I learned about what does the market want. Now this helps me understand the structure of modern labor market, and there I could discover which industry is best for successful career. There I could also analyze the market and the growing demands in the market. Now there are also case study in the course which will help you understand the real life scenarios that you will face in this corporate world. I learned what signals is it worth paying attention to when deciding to learn about my career journey. So you would be able to create your chances of career development, best professional career successfully. Now there were 2 tasks that I had to do. First, write down my life goal. Second, set up my tomorrow's goal in the evening. The important thing that I learned is to work with my habits, goals and plans in order to move ahead and achieve your goal. Now there are also additional materials provided in this course in the form of PDF. This will tell you how to plan your goals and desire and get started in your career field. In the end, I also had to go through the quiz just to retain what I learned so far. On day 2, I learned about how to become the most necessary professional in the labor market. There I was able to analyze the professional path of market leaders, and this helps me understand building my own career. There I understood who is a professional. Professional includes hard skill plus soft skill plus performance in any situation. I also did basic tasks and go through the additional material. With that, I ended my day by reading the case and solving the quiz just to retain what I learned so far. It was day 3 and I was diving right into the core of this course. There I learned about diagnostics and adjustments in career development. This helps me understand what I generally like to do and whether it's time to change the direction of my activities and bring slight shift in career vector. I also discovered the ways to make informed choices. After that, I ended my day by reading the case and solving the quiz. On day 4, it was finally the time to develop the love for profession and how do you achieve reciprocity. The most beautiful thing you can do for your career is to love your profession. This helps me understand how to find my profession that match up to my passion. There mainly I got to know the ways that how I can turn my hobby into business. Additionally, I could decide the alternative of my profession. Most important, there I also learned that it's okay to mistake with your career choice because it's never too late to start again in your career field. In order to start, first write all those things that you enjoy doing. Second, track your movement. Third, analyze your state of flow. Fourth, estimate how long the state of euphoria lasts. After doing all this, I managed to achieve reciprocity. On day 5, I learned about how to earn. Well, a lot of people began to think about a successful career in terms of money. So I was able to analyze my path in terms of income and increase it in future. Now day 6 and 7 is in the continuation of day 5, where I majorly learned about career. First on building the roadmap on career and to develop career. In this course, I learned to prepare myself to think, decide decide and analyze in terms of skill development in career planning. There I understood my ultimate goal and the way to adjust my speed and direction of development. I also learned about career and professional development strategy. Now day 8 teaches you on how to learn quickly and effectively. It talks about as soon as you stop learning, you fall out of market. And the time you stop understanding, you stop growing. So the key to understand today's job market is continuous learning. That is consistency that truly matters. Then on day 9, I learned the recipe for making a career. This helps me understand that you need to act in order to see the practical result. It also talks about massive actions. Majorly set goals, act actively and practical efforts to achieve goals. On day 10, I learned how to speed your career 10 times. It teaches that a career in modern world has only 3 pillars: performance, growth and initiative. This lesson is devoted to how to not postpone building a career but instead build it now. Finally, on day 11, I learned the most subtle issue on career path, majorly the problems that you face in career path. On the final lesson day, I learned about the topics not covered in the previous lesson. It includes balancing motherhood and career, bump on the career path and professional burnout. And there I learned to set the best goal. Now that I have completed this course, I think I'm completely ready to know my career and become a true professional. So you can also access the entire course for $4.9 instead of $49 because of 90% discount because of the link provided in the description below. So do check it out. So you simply have to click the link provided in description below, sign up using your email and password, and there you get 90% discount. That is, you can get this course with $4.9 instead of $49. So you're good to go. Do make sure to check it out and let me know guys what you learned with this video. And thank you so much for watching it till the end. Do subscribe for more amazing content. More amazing and useful informative videos will be out soon guys.